Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Najmi Imran bin RAZAK. So today I will explain and present for my industrial training program, which is started from 1st August until 22 September 2020. So my supervisor for faculty is TS Dr. Ko, which is industrial supervisor is Mr. Venayagar. Okay, so I go to the next slide. So for company background, actually the company is making the semiconductor industry, which is they are also make machine that can produce the semiconductor and then lead mass production, and also they also create cutting edge assembly processes and equipment for lead frame, substrate and wafer level packaging, including electronic part, mobile internet, cloud server computing, automotive, industrial, LED, and solar energy also. So the Besi Apac number heart is at Shah Alam, Selangor. Okay, so I will start for the introduction to final assembly, which is my department is final assembly. Okay, which is the final assembly is production of die attached machine. There are a few type of machine we have on the department, such as Evo, Quantum, and EZ. So the technician from module assembly will assemble certain part of the machine and will be distributed to final assembly department. Okay, some part of the machine will be supplied from the suppliers such as PBA industry will supply base in country, which mean that we are not doing that. We wait for supplier to give us the base in country. Okay, one of the device part are available, then we will proceed to the machine assembly. Okay, each and every device part contain its own part number and serial number. So we also have the time, which is the machine have to finish the time given that demand by customer. All right. So we have three different type of machine, which is a Quantum is used mostly for flip chip production, and Evo, as you can see here at the center, Evo is used widely for multi-module attached production. And for the third one is EZ is used much in die bonding production. Okay, so my part is I'm doing for the Quantum machine. Okay. So Datacon 8800 MC Quantum Advanced, actually this is the machine that I've been assembly and do all the wiring part, the grounding and then the MSB. Okay, because this machine is using 3-phase power. So this is the Besi new Datacon 8800 FC Quantum Advanced, sets the standard for speed and productivity as mass reflow flip chip become prevalent in IC packaging. So the quickest, more and most cost-efficient flip chip system available today has cutting-edge motion control and revolutionary crystal glass-based fluxer idea and increased computational capability. Okay. So in the FA department, we also have integration and also we have application. So my part is integration because of we are assembly the machine one by one from layout to the compartment or the material part. Okay, so in the integration we have prepare base, prepare the gantry, and then wafer table, which is the wafer table will be input into the gantry, and then the gantry will be put on top of the base. Okay, this is the controller set 9 card. Okay, as you can see, this is the slot that we have to put all the 9 controller set. So, okay, for the next picture, you can see I already put all the 9 servo controller and complete all the wiring here and the grounding also. Okay, this is before and this is the after. All right. So this is the energy terminal 4, which is we will put into the gantry. This is a base plate. Base plate we have 2, and then this is the base plate for transport system, which is we will for the grounding, also for the air supplier. Okay, so this is we will be put into the gantry beside of the energy terminal 4. Okay, in the machine also we have pneumatic display, which is we have 2 type of them, which is one of the digital and then one of them is analog. So actually that's our requirement from the customer. So when they ask to want digital pneumatic display, then we will install the analog. If you want digital, then we install the digital. Okay, so the next one, this is the another base plate. This is for the grounding also and power, which is we will put here, as you can see here. But before that, we will lay out and prepare all the wiring here. We will make it tidy like this. At the third picture, you can see I already make the layout wiring and then connect all the part where to the connection is. Okay, this is the grounding, and then this is the base plate. After we complete all this one, then we put the base plate in here. Okay, so this is the bond force unit, which is to control the air, to control the air, which is we want to strong or massive or less. Okay, for the next picture is terminal holder. The terminal holder, which is we will it's hold the panel, user panel. Okay, like this. The user panel, which is these two machine have two type of monitor with one PC. So we have to lay out all the cable before we connecting to the PC. All right. So we also have pickup holder, left and right. Okay. So we have to install both sides. So after we install the holder, then we put the bonehead here. This one, the bonehead, as you can see here. Okay. After we install the holder, then we install the bonehead. Okay. After that, this one is for substrate camera. Beside of the bonehead is substrate camera. Also have left and right. We install both of them. Okay, and then we install the ADC 16 for mini BMC kit, which is this one is we will put on the base plate at the back, not on the gantry. Okay, so this is my picture that I'm install the bonehead and substrate camera left and right. Okay, this is my picture. I'm doing the layout for the gantry wiring cable with the airflow also. Okay, this is me with the senior staff. Actually, I have to refer the drawing because some of it, the wiring, we have to know where to put all the connection in, to put where all the connection. Okay, so I have to refer because it's too many. Okay, okay, this is for the first day. Actually, we have training for 1 week about safety and then how to using the tool. They give us the tool, and they also give us the shirt, ESD shirt, and the safety shoes cover. All right. So this is me with some workers. He teach me how to lay out the PC cable before we install the PC. Okay, next. After we complete all the integration part, this is the final part for integration, which is we will install the Electra software. Okay, so after we install the Electra software, then actually in the Electra software, it have the programming that will move the component inside. Okay, the bonehead and the substrate camera will move. So the next one, I have video. We will watch one by one. Okay, so this is me. I'm sorry I'm using time lapse because this is taking too long because it's almost take 4 hours to complete all the layout for this wiring. Okay, but I'm not taking until finish. Okay, we have to make it this first. Okay, and then we have to, after complete the layout wiring, we do the servo controller. Okay, I have to connect all the connection. I have to connect all the wiring here to the servo machine. Okay, after I complete all this, I'm doing the Electra software. Okay, this is how to install the Electra. See the Electra. Okay. Okay, we enter the serial number for this machine, and then it will be full integration. Then it will install. Okay, full installation here. then it will taking 45 minutes. Okay, so this is how the machine move lah after we put the programming, the software Electra. This is our test. Okay, so this is how the machine move. Actually, it's depend on the programming that we put on the Electra. Okay, that's how it's running. Yeah, this is the bone head, both side. Okay, this is the cover. It's for safety reason. So at the end of the completion of training, I learned the engineering skill, to use the tool, to use the correct tool. Okay, and then I have learned time management, and then the discipline on the factory very quite tight because we have to use time very well. And then it's also important we have to have the teamwork. Okay, because the one machine is so big we cannot do alone. We have to make the teamwork. Okay, for to complete all the machine. Okay, and then we also have 5S, which is sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Because the customer want we do this 5S because the demand for the 5S to show that we are work with some discipline. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you, because it's limited time because we only have 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm talking too fast. I'm sorry, but thank you to spend your time. Thank you.